Hello, Namaste. You are watching the best preparation, a big platform for learning English language. Today, let's see some sample conversations, especially for basic level students. Fiona, hi Edwin, how are you? Edwin, I'm fine, thanks. And you? Okay. Next, Fiona. I'm okay, thanks. Edwin, this is Melissa. Edwin, nice to meet you, Melissa. Melissa, nice to meet you too. Okay? And next, Fiona. Edwin, Melissa is my old friend. She's here for the study of the architecture of multi-roof temples of Kathmandu Valley. Edwin, मेलिसा मेरी पुरानी साथी हुन् is my old friend. उनी यहाँ काठमाडौँ उपत्यकाको बहुतले मन्दिर मल्टी रूफ्ड रूफ भनेको छानु तला मल्टी रूफ्ड भनेको बहुतले मन्दिर पशुपति टेम्पल जस्तोलाई मल्टी रूफ्ड टेम्पल भनेर भनिन्छ मल्टी roofed temples of Kathmandu Valley. Okay, next. All right. Where are you from, Melissa? I'm from Sydney in Australia. Okay, now next conversation. This conversation is very common conversation. You can use these sentences when you ask someone about him, her, कसैको बारेमा सोध्दा यी प्रश्नहरू गरिन्छ What's your name? What's your name? My name's Hari. And yours? And yours? अनि तपाईको नाम चाहिँ के हो? Okay. Next. I'm Ram. Where do you come from? Where do you come from? I come from Gorkha. And you? Okay. This one. I'm from Dhading. Whereabouts in Dhading are you from? I'm from Moidi in Dhading. Here, whereabouts means कुन ठाउँ कहाँनिरबाट त Whereabouts in Dhading are you from? तपाईँ धादिङको कुन ठाउँबाट आउनु भएको हो I'm from Moidi, I'm from Galchi or something in Dhading. Okay? Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Basbari. And you? I live in Tamil. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a teacher. And what do you do? अनि तपाईं के गर्नुहुन्छ? अथवा I'm a teacher and you भन्यो भने पनि and what do you do भन्ने नै बुझिन्छ. Hurry. I'm free these days. I'm free these days. I'm free nowadays. These days means nowadays. Okay? Speaking practice extra. What is your good name, please? What is your good name, please? Subhanam. My name is Krisa. What's your surname? What's your surname? Surname र last name, family name एउटै हो. What's your surname? तपाईको थर के हो? It's Shrestha. It's Shrestha. What shall I call you? What shall I call you? म तपाईलाई के भनेर बोलाऊ? You can call me Krisa. You can call me Krisa. तपाईले मलाई Krisa भनेर बोलाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. How do you spell your first name? How do you spell your first name? Spelling. It's K R I S H A. Krisa. Krisa. Okay? Next. Do you like plus before? तिमी यसो गर्न मन पराउँछौ? भन्दा do you like plus before? Do you like playing cricket? तिमी क्रिकेट खेल्न मन पराउँछौ? Do you like talking on the phone? तिमी फोनमा कुरा गर्न मन पराउँछौ? Do you like traveling by bus? तिमी बसमा यात्रा गर्न मन पराउँछौ? यिनीहरूको आन्सरमा yes I do or no I don't. Okay? Do you like chatting online? तिमी अनलाइन कुरा गर्न मन पराउँछौ? Do you like visiting new places? तिमी नयाँ ठाउँ भ्रमण गर्न मन पराउँछौ? Okay? के सेट गर्नु पर्यो भने कसैलाई यसो गर्न मन पराउँछौ भन्नु पर्यो भने do you like भन्ने ing लाउने. जस्तै तिमी टेलिभिजन हेर्न मन पराउँछौ अथवा तपाई टेलिभिजन हेर्न मन पराउनुहुन्छ? Do you like watching television? Do you like watching TV? Okay. Do you like singing a song? अब मलाई यसो गर्न मन पर्दैन भन्दा I don't like plus before ing. I don't like traveling by bus. मलाई बसमा यात्रा गर्न मन पर्दैन. I don't like traveling by bus. I don't like sharing everything. I don't like sharing everything. मलाई सबै कुरा शेयर गर्न मन पर्दैन. मलाई लाइनमा उभिन मन पर्दैन. I don't like standing in a queue. I don't like standing in a queue. मलाई लामो टुरमा जान मन पर्दैन. I don't like going on a long tour. I don't like going on a long tour. Subject plus don't like plus before. अब आईसँग गरिरहेको थियौं भने अरूसँग पनि, जस्तो तिनीहरू फोनमा कुरा गर्न मन पराउँदैनन्. They don't like talking on the phone. ती केटाहरू नयाँ साथी बनाउन मन पराउँदैनन्. The boys don't like making a new friend. The boys don't like making a new friend. Subject plus doesn't like plus before. हरि क्रिकेट खेल्न मन पराउँदैन. एकजनासँग चाहिँ doesn't like हुँदो रहेछ. Hari doesn't like playing cricket. Hari doesn't like playing cricket. एलिसा गीत गाउन मन पराउँदिनन्. Elisa doesn't like singing a song. Elisa doesn't like singing a song. मेरो बहिनी गेम खेल्न मन पराउँदिनन्. My sister doesn't like playing games. My sister doesn't like playing games. मेरो बुवा टिभी हेर्न मन पराउनुहुन्न. My father doesn't like watching TV. My father doesn't like watching TV. I didn't like plus before. मलाई यसो गर्न मन परेन. यसो गर्न मन लागेन. I didn't like buying anything in पोखरा. मलाई पोखरामा केही किन्न मन लागेन. मन परेन. मनै लागेन. I didn't like buying anything in पोखरा. मलाई फिजिक्स पढ्न मन परेन. I didn't like studying physics. I didn't like studying physics. Okay? Next. मलाई तिनीहरूको टिम जोइन गर्न मन परेन. तिनीहरूको टिममा संलग्न हुन मन परेन. I didn't like joining their team. I didn't like joining their team. मलाई सबै कुरा शेयर गर्न मन परेन. I didn't like sharing everything. I didn't like sharing everything. Okay. मलाई यसो गर्न मन लाग्यो भन्दा I like मन लाग्छ मन पर्छ भन्दा के गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ? यो स्ट्रक्चर्सहरु तपाईले सर्लक्क जानिराख्नु पर्छ. तपाईलाई यसो गर्न मन पर्छ भन्दा do you like भन्ने ing लगाउने. त्यस्तै मलाई यसो गर्न मन पर्दैन भन्दा I don't like भन्ने verbमा ing लाउने. अनि अरुलाई धेरै जनासँग don't like plus verb for, फेरि एक जनासँग doesn't like plus verb for को प्रयोग गर्ने. यसो गर्दा इंग्लिश स्मूथली बोल्न सजिलो पर्छ. यो स्ट्रक्चर्सहरु जानेरै मानिसहरुले सजिलै बोल्ने गरेका हुन्छन्. र यो च्यानलमा 1000 भन्दा बढी भिडियोहरु अपलोड भइसकेका छन्. र हजुरले पनि नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने सब्स्क्राइब बटनमा प्रेस गर्नुहोस्, क्लिक गर्नुहोस् अनि नोटिफिकेसन बेलमा पनि क्लिक गर्नुहोला. भिडियो शेयर गर्न, कमेन्ट र लाइक गर्न पनि नभुल्नुहोला. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.